Hello, this is Slow English for beginners. Today's story is The Strange Phone Message. Part 1 has subtitles. Let's begin. Listen and repeat. Message, message. A message is a text. Phone, phone. A phone is in your hand. Late, late. Late means not early. Quiet, quiet. Quiet means no noise. Door, door. A door is in a house. Outside, outside. Outside is not inside. Scared, scared. Scared means afraid. Safe, safe means okay. Now the story. It is night. It is late. I am at home. I am alone. My room is quiet. Very quiet. I sit on my bed. I feel tired. My phone is on the table. The screen is dark. Then, the screen lights up. Ding. I look at my phone. I see a message. It says, "Hi." Just one word. Hi? I do not know the number. I feel strange. I wait. I do not reply. My room is quiet again. I breathe in. I breathe out. Ding. Another message. It says, "Are you awake?" It is 11:48. I swallow. My mouth is dry. I type slowly. Sorry. Who are you? I send it. I wait. 1 second. 2 seconds. No answer. I put my phone down. I try to relax. Then, ding. A new message comes. It says, "Look outside." My eyes get big. My heart feels fast. I do not move. I listen. No voice. No steps. Only silence. I stand up slowly. I walk to the window. The curtain is closed. I touch it. My hand feels cold. I open the curtain a little. Just a little. Outside is dark. The street is empty. No cars. No people. I look left. I look right. Nothing. I look down. Near my door, I see a small light. A tiny light. It is outside. Near my door. I step back. I whisper, "No." Ding. Another message. It says, "Open the door." I freeze. I do not breathe. Open the door. No. I walk to the door. Slowly. I do not open it. Not even a little. I lock the door. Click. I check the lock. 1 time. 2 times. I look at the handle. It does not move. I feel scared. Very scared. I go back to my bed. I sit down. My hands shake. Just a little. I think I need help. I call my friend. Her name is Mia. The phone rings. Ring. Ring. Mia answers. "Hello." I whisper, "Mia." I got strange messages. Mia says, "What messages?" I read them slowly. Look outside. Open the door. Mia is quiet. Then she says, "Do not open the door." I say, okay. I will not. Mia says, turn on your lights. I stand up. I turn on the lights. My room is bright now. I feel a little better. Mia says, stay inside. Mia says, stay safe. I sit on my bed. I hold my phone. We listen. We stay quiet. Then, I hear a sound. Tap. A soft tap. Tap. It is at my door. Tap. I freeze again. I cannot move. Mia says, are you okay? I whisper, I hear tapping. Mia says, stay away from the door. I step back. I stay near my bed. Tap, tap, tap. Then, silence. The tapping stops. My room is quiet again. I breathe in. I breathe out. Ding. My phone lights up. A new message comes. It says, sorry, wrong house. I blink. I feel angry. Wrong house? Mia says, what did it say? I say, it says wrong house. Mia says, okay, but be careful. I nod. I drink some water. I look at my door. It is closed. It is locked. I feel safe, but I feel strange. I put my phone face down. I sit very still. My room is bright. My door is locked. I am safe. For now. Quick questions still part 1. Now answer. Speak out loud. Was it late at night? Did I know the number? What did the message say? Did I open the door? Was I safe at the end? Pause. Transition. Now listen again. No subtitles this time. Just listen. Focus on the story. Story second listening. It is late at night. I am at home. My room is quiet. My phone lights up. Ding. A message comes. It says, hi. I do not know the number. I do not reply. Ding. Another message. Are you awake? I feel nervous. It is very late. I type, who are you? I send it. I wait. No answer. Ding. A new message. Look outside. My heart feels fast. I stand up slowly. I go to the window. Outside is dark. The street is empty. I look down. I see a small light near my door. Ding. Another message. Open the door. I do not open it. I lock the door. I check the lock twice. I call my friend Mia. Mia answers. Mia says, do not open the door. Mia says, turn on the lights. I turn on the lights. My room is bright now. Then I hear tapping. Tap, tap. It is on my door. I freeze. I whisper to Mia. I hear tapping. Mia says, stay away from the door. Then the tapping stops. The room is quiet again. A last message comes. Sorry. Wrong house. I breathe slowly. I feel safe again. My door is locked. I am safe now. I freeze. I whisper to Mia. I hear tapping. Mia says, stay away from the door. Then the tapping stops. The room is quiet again. Ding. A last message comes. Sorry. Wrong house. I breathe slowly. I feel safe again. My door is locked. I am safe now. True or false long, no subtitles. Now true or false. Say true or false. It was morning. I was outside. My phone made a ding sound. The first message said, hi. I knew the number. The message said, look outside. I saw a big car outside. I saw a small light near my door. The message said, open the door. I opened the door. I locked the door. I called my friend Mia. Mia said, open the door. Mia said, turn on the lights. I heard tapping on the door. The tapping never stopped. The last message said, wrong house. I felt safe at the end. Great job. Comment one sentence. I stayed safe. See you next time.